Hey, what's up, internet computer? I am sorry to say this because my brother internet computer and last reference days very badly fails down. So I'm so worried, I'm so excited to see this. But definitely try to understand my brothers to after a fails they will also take a very huge jump now. So I know my brother to upcoming time this coin is completely going the moon now and they will give you a good profit. Let's see holder to what they do and what's going on, but kindly you need to subscribe and press the bell icon. My brother, in the same time you can see here the candle is completely, my friend, is going to be upward and the last point, but my brother after a very long fails they also take a very huge jump now. So I hope my brother after this fail they will slowly starting moving upward, but I know upcoming time if they will go on good, so I hope they will give you a very good profit. Let's see, but this time you can see here the price is 43.61 USD dollar, and the same time you can see here the price change occur as a minus 0.39% fails down. So that's mean also this coin is in the loss now. We need to hold and absolutely if you hold, so I hope my brother in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. So why are you waiting? Please, if you have any plan to invest more, then and go invest now. Otherwise friends, go now and take a very good profit, my brother. So see you next time holder. Hope you like this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more this stuff informative videos.